Am I the only one that didn't know how to fix Wi-Fi on my OnePlus 13? Let's dive in. First up, restart your phone and router. A simple restart can solve a lot of issues. Next, check your Wi-Fi settings. Go to Settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and make sure your network is connected. Still not working? Turn Wi-Fi off and on again. Sometimes a quick toggle refreshes the connection. Move closer to your router or reduce interference from devices like microwaves. You need a strong signal for a stable connection. If the signal is weak, reposition your router or use a Wi-Fi extender. This can boost your coverage. Forget your network and reconnect. Go to Wi-Fi settings, tap your network, and select Forget. Then reconnect. Check for software updates. Go to Settings, tap on System, and check for updates. Updates can fix Wi-Fi bugs. Lastly, if all else fails, contact OnePlus support for help. You might have a hardware issue, and that's it.